Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem in Java. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. Let's write the problem statement. So user need to give the user input of integer n, and user need to print the count of the digits of the number and followed by reverse digits of the number. So which means, for example, if I give 4, 5, 6, 7, so what will be the output? So how many digits are there in the number? There are 4 digits. So the count is 4. So first we have to see the count 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 4 digits in the number. So that's why I'm writing 4. And after that, you have to print it reverse order. So what is the last number? 7. And after last number 6. And after last number 5. And after last number 4. So we are going in the reverse order 7, 6, 5, 4. So like this we have to print. Like this we have to print step by step. So this is the output we have to print. We have given an input integer n, and we have to print the count of the number of digits in the number, and after that we have to print the each digit in the reverse order of that number. So this is how we have to print. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So import java dot util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and I will give int n is equal to sc dot next int, and I will give count. So I have to count, right? So that's why I'm giving count equal to 0. Count equal to 0. And I will initiate temp to n. So why I'm doing this, I will explain in the later part of the class. So first of all, I have to print the count. So first of all, I have to print the count. So first of all, I will write the code for the count. So while I will write the while loop, while n not equal to 0, this loop should continue continuously iterates. So first of all, I want to get the unit digit. Unit digits is equal to how can I get it? N mod 10. So n mod 10 will give the unit digit. Unit digit. And after that, do count plus plus, and n is equal to n by 10. So this is how we can get the count of the number. And I will print the count. So let's see will it get the count or not. Let's run this program. So I will give, what is the output? 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7. So count is 4. We are getting the count. Now we are getting the count. Now I have to print the each number in the reverse order. and I will open up again for while loop, and here I will choose temp. Why? Because I have already used n, right? So n is updated here. N is updated here. So that's why I'm using temp. I'm storing the whatever the value 4567. I'm storing this copy value to the temp also. Copy value to the temp also. So that the temp value will not be changed. The temp value will not be changed. That's why I'm using temp. So if you use n again, you will get error. You will get error. So that's why I'm copying that number into the another variable. That's it. Simple. So while loop should be iterated until temp becomes 0. So last digit is equal to temp mod 10, and after that I will do system dot, I will print the last digit, system dot out dot println last digit, and after that I will do temp is equal to temp by 10. So this is how we have to write the program. Let's see. Let's run this program. So there is an error. Right, 4 5 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7. So what is the output? First we have to print the count 4, and after that we have to print the reverse order 7 6 5 4. So first we have to get 4 as the output, number of count, like a number of digits in the number. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 will be the output first, and after that 7 6 5 4 in the reverse order, followed by the 4 in the reverse order. 7 6 5 4 will be the output. See, 4 7 6 5 4. So I hope you understand the problem. This is the easy problem. So what I did, first of all, I have written the code for the count. How can I get the count? And after that, I have written the code for the numbers. I have to print the reverse order. So you have to divide the code, like if you have any big problems, you have to divide the problem into 2 parts or 3 parts, and so that you can get the right code. You can get the right code. So this is the problem, and we can run I will run this program again. I will give now 6 5 8 9 5 4. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is the count. First number should be 6, and after that 4 5 9 8 6. So let's run this program again. What I will do is I will copy this thing. Okay, it's running now. So 5 6 5 4 2. So how many digits are there? 6. So first is the number of counts. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is the output. And after that, I will print the reverse order: 9 9 8 4 5 6 5. So this is the program. This is the program. So that's it, friends. This is the simple Java program, how to count the number of digits in the number, and how to print the a number of digits in the reverse order of a number. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.